Hi everybody, hi Sneakerman family. Chickie has been a while, but ek is nou terug. Maar kyk die move ouens. Ook al die maar lekker ostrich ostrich leather so gestitch. Maar as jy sien wat ek kan sien hier so, kyk die sole wat die broer opgesit het daar so. This is mos that safety boots that the butcher staff wear. Oh, this is a Nike Easy. You guys know how scarce the Nike Yeezys is. This is when Kanye West collabed with Nike first before Adidas. So they're super rare, and this customer always obviously thought he's doing something good. This shoe does belong to a customer from Kimberley. So he posted it to me and asked me to do a sole swap. So I already removed this midsoles from the it's tacky, and I'm just doing a guide test as to how am I gonna do this. What's the best way to do this? Yeah, so this midsole is brand new. There's no parts available in South Africa. Yo, check here, kyk opposite so wel weer. Kyk I'm a Easter man when it comes to this. Easter. Adidas teaching the infra with the toe box. Yeah, and the lineup is beautiful. And kyk hoe lyk dit?